By taking this trip, by going actually to a news studio, by actually seeing how the camera works, by actually talking to reporters and all that stuff, you get the clear idea of what you're getting into. I mean, we're just seeing like on class, but when you actually step on the building, everything changes. Your view about the world of news changes. So I personally didn't think I will consider working in news, but now that I'm here, I kind of considering it as a big possibility.
It's just a great experience, just seeing how the workplace looks like within the Channel 5 news station, and I'm just having a wonderful time.
I thought it was really fun. Getting to go into the studio was a really good time. Getting to meet a bunch of the on-air talent and even people behind the scenes. It was a really good time.